DGTERA Flex.
To apply a discount to an order that is already registered in the system, click on the three-dot menu, then select Discount. Choose the required discount from the list. Once the discount is applied, complete the payment process. To remove the discount, click on the three-dot menu and select Cancel Discount. If the customer has a discount coupon and wants to apply it to the order, click on the three-dot menu, then select Add Coupon. Enter the discount code provided by the customer, then click Apply to activate the coupon. After that, complete the payment process. To remove the discount, click on the three-dot menu and select Cancel Discount. If the customer wants to add a special note to the order, receive the order from the customer, then click on the Notes option at the top of the screen. You can select a predefined note from the system or enter a new note in the designated field. Click Apply to add the note to the order, then send the order to the kitchen or complete the payment process. If you want to send a general note to the kitchen via the printer, click on the three-dot menu, then select Send Note to KDS. Select the required printer, enter the note, and click Send.